Hello guys, in this video tutorial I will brief you about the union and union all in SQL. So what is the difference between union and union all? Union combines the result set from the multiple tables with eliminating the duplicate records. It eliminates the duplication from both tables. While the union all combines the result set from multiple tables without eliminating the duplicate records. This means union all will show all the records that are either common or not from the two tables. Union performs a distinct on the result set, while the union all does not perform a distinct on the result set. So let's apply union and union all using SQL. We have two tables. First table is describe student. We have one table student and other table student 2. We have the both tables have the same attributes. In fact, student 2 is created using student 1, a student table means student 2 is created from student with the same columns, same data types, but the data is slightly different. So let's select all the data first from two table. Let's see, select steric from student table, display the 15 records, while select steric from student 2 will display the 20 records. You can see that the first 15 rows in both tables are exactly the same. We have not changed it, but we have inserted 5 new rows or 5 new records in the student 2 table. So let's apply first the union. So for union it is necessary that columns we select from both tables should be common. Like we can select steric from student, and then we will write union select steric from student. We could write select steric from student and select steric from student 2 only in that case where both tables have the same columns. If both tables have not the same column, so we cannot write steric, but rather we will write only the column names which are common in both the tables. As here we have the same columns, exactly the same column, so we can write select steric from one table and select steric from other table. So let's execute. You can see the result. 20 rows are displayed. This means these 15 rows were common in both tables, while this came from the student 2 table. So this means the duplicated or common rows were not repeated but are displayed only once. As you can see, these 15 rows are common in both but are displayed only once using union. If instead of union we write union all, then see the result. You can see that the first 15 rows 1 to 15 and then 1 to 15 are repeated, and then 15 to 20 records are displayed only once. Why? Because rows 1 to 15 are distinct in both the tables, so these rows are duplicated and are displayed twice, but from 16 onward these rows are only the part of these 16 rows are only in the inside the student 2 table, so these are displayed only once. Instead of displaying the whole columns, we can also select specific columns, like we write select student ID name, address or name from student, union, select student ID, name from student 2. So you can see we can select specific selected columns. We can now come to discuss briefly about the advantage of union. Why we need two same tables, student? The question arises that we cannot keep all the records in single table. Why we need to keep student records in two tables? So up to student, it is understood that all record can be in one table, but we can have two different departments, multiple departments, and it might be possible that multiple departments keep their student records in separate tables, but the university is one. Means under the same university there can be multiple departments, and every department wants to keep their student record in their separate tables. So we might need then union. Similarly, if we have multiple warehouses, every warehouse must have to keep their own separate data in their respective tables. So we might need a union and union all function. So this was all about union. Thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you.